So this is my dad, this is Ron, and this is a bike that he built. It is an electric bicycle, and I was just wondering if he could explain the process, how you did it. Can you just show us what the different parts are and
Sure.
how you did it?
The kit is from a company called Amped. There are a number of companies out there that make these right now, Bionics and several others, but Amped is a very nice, well put together kit. They supply everything, a battery pack. The kit comes with this hub and the spokes and the rim. You take an existing bike, or you buy an inexpensive bike, and you put the tire back on, and you mount this rim onto the front forks of the tire. Front forks have to be steel, so you got to take a magnet with you, because a lot of times when you go in a store, you
like
can't
a weird...
tell. They don't. Most people don't know whether the forks are aluminum or steel. Aluminum forks, it'll tear out the holders on aluminum forks, so they have to be steel. And they say to use a relatively inexpensive bike. They say not to spend a lot of money on a bicycle, because the less expensive bikes are actually a little bit stronger for this purpose. So there's a rim. You can see the wiring going up, and this all goes to a battery pack. And the battery pack has got three 12-volt batteries wired in a series, so there's 36 volts of power. This thing can actually take up to 72 volts of power, which would make it go a lot faster and a lot farther, but 36 is more than enough for what you want to do.
So how long is the charge good for?
Charge is good for real life. They're talking about 14 miles of no pedaling.
Wow.
So if you pedal, you get a lot more range. Obviously, if you're going downhill, you let the throttle up and so on, you get a lot more range out of it. But if you were to go just straight and use it like a motorcycle, it's about 14 miles, and roughly around 20 miles per hour is what it goes.
Cool. How long, how many hours was the build?
Well, I did a lot of goofing around. I had some problems with the front forks. I had to change, put some washers in. You have to have a little bit of mechanical knowledge, because none of these bikes is the same, so they have to be modified a little bit to modify. But I probably had 6 or 8 hours in it altogether.
Not bad.
Yeah.
What do you figure material cost wise?
Well,
the battery is the most expensive. The
whole kit was $500, and the whole kit was $550
plus the bike.
That was with, and then the bike. So the bike was just $179 closeout special from Dick's, and so what, $700 I got in it or so.
Cool.
Bought a mirror for it. It should have a mirror, and the brakes. They give you new brake pedals too, because these brakes have a switch in them, so that in case you're going full bore and you need to stop real fast, and
so
you
don't
have
pull
your
a
foot on the
Toyota.
throttle, you go like that. Exactly. The brakes will actually
cut the power
off the brakes. This is a throttle. This is actually a cruise control right there. So once you once you get going a standard speed for 5 seconds, that cruise control will stick in, and you don't have to put the throttle down anymore. So it's a cool little thing. I haven't taken it for a long trip yet, but I'm probably going to be riding it to work tomorrow and every nice day thereafter.
Cool.
Saving a lot of carbon and a lot of fuel.
Awesome. Thank you.